My loyalty is here.
Her authenticity.
Dodo!
Okay, ganyan na siya.
Kasi baka mamaya sumako na naman. Dalawa sila.
Pero at least pwede.
Action.
So how did our friendship start?
Kaya ba?
Her authenticity.
But my loyalty is here.
You know, I think it's really about looking after yourself. Kasi kailangan mo rin alagaan yung sarili mo. That's it. Ang gano'n naman.
Nice to see you again. Is this your first time?
Yes!
Oh, yan. How are you? So this is our new cafe. Really? Talaga? You like it? Coming from yan.
Sobrang unread the rooms. This is the treatment of
Yes.
room number 5.
This is the, yeah. So we have... Hi, Martin.
Yes,
Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah, it's a girl. Like I like the furry French food.
Ay, super best nila.
Because the one without fur. You know, the dogs sometimes some of them have connection. It's different.
Oh no.
Mabait.
Diba?
Oh.
Ang dami nang napuntahan.
Sayang yung ginawa natin.
So, ceramide siya. Para
Yes.
hydrated ka talaga. So, this one, it's a cream. And then it dries up sa mga. So, pili it.